Hi everybody, Lisa released some new eyeshadows. I have so many of her shimmery eyeshadows. Absolutely love them. I think they are gorgeous, but they crease on me. I have super droopy eyelids, oily eyelids, and everything basically creases on me. So I'm very curious if the new formula is going to work on my eyelids, if I can actually rely on these eyeshadows. Let's see what she claims about the product. These are called Liquid Silk Liquid Eyeshadows. They are lid smoothing, soft focus matte liquid eyeshadow in nuanced natural shades for an elevated eye in seconds. Because these are quite pricey, these are, I believe, around 30 euros. I only picked two. So I have the shade Irene and Ione, something like that. So Irene is light neutral peachy beige. It has a doe foot applicator. The packaging is the same as with the previous eyeshadows. I need my mirror closer. So apparently you can blend out these with your fingers. These are supposed to be like super quickly one and done eyeshadows. Ooh, I like this shade very, very much. I was actually searching for this kind of a product for a long time now. Something that would be really pretty and that would be the right shade for me to use on those no makeup days, because still I don't like using only my primer on my lids or concealer. That for me doesn't look the best because I have droopy eyelids and I think I need something, at least something. So that's Irene. I'm super puffy today, I'm so sorry. It was a crazy night and it's very early in the morning and I know that I look absolutely ridiculous, but let's ignore that, please. I absolutely adore this shade and it was the easiest one to blend out. This is the kind of shade that I was looking for, so let's hope that this is going to wear really well, because with those shimmery shades, especially in the summertime, they creased on me like hell. So this is an update on those. I was super curious for this one, more cool toned. Ion, something like that, I don't know. It is described as cool mauve gray. All right. I really like this one as well. I think it's perfect for this winter. So yeah, which one do you prefer? I'm not sure which one I like better. I like them both. Because I have problems with those previous one with creasing, I decided to do a test wear. But because I'm going out for a morning coffee and croissant, I cannot go with two different shades. So I'm gonna apply the cool toned shade over this one to see how this is going to look like, and in that way we can all see how it tops. Ooh, I really like how blendable they are, and I would say that it has like a smoothing properties. I would appreciate if you could subscribe to my channel and share this channel amongst your friends, because in that way you can really help this channel to grow and for me to do more of this kind of videos. So I would say that these blended out incredibly well, like none other liquidy eyeshadow. But I really like that it's not too watery, it's actually really creamy. The shades both are just incredible. They are really pretty, but we all know that Lisa knows her shades. Now the only thing is to check out how this wears. I have the most challenging eyelids ever, so if it creases on me, it doesn't mean that it's going to crease on you. But if you have the same problems, you will know if it's worth buying, because they are quite expensive. So that's it for now and see you in few hours. This is the reality after 5 hours. It didn't crease on me whatsoever, even on this eye where I've layered it. So I have 2 layers on both of these shades and love it. I'm loving this formula so much. And I'm just so excited to have a matte liquid eyeshadow with all of the other Lisa Eldridges. I'm curious if I place Bianca, if it would crease. I should check out that. So I'm just gonna place it on top a little bit, just as an eyeshadow topper. That looks really nice. If you would like me to do some kind of, I don't know, swatching all the Lisa Eldridge's liquid eyeshadows and creating looks with these, then please let me know in the comments down below. I'm impressed. I'm really impressed, and I would love to have every single shade someday. If you enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to like and to subscribe to my channel. Have a lovely day, and I think that you are going to enjoy the next video. Bye.